It was definitely a cat.
Yeah,
get it.
Look at this guy. First day on the job, huh, Jay?
Sometimes you don't need an excavator when you got Kyle. Digging the pond, I was telling you earlier, we located a gas line that went through the middle of the pond. But now we've run into multiple stumps that Al is currently digging on.
We got our underlaminate and liner in place. We are beginning to seam the liners together for the bay and the pond.
All right, so Kyle and Jack just laid an extra piece of underlayment over top of the liner. Not only do we protect it underneath, we would protect the top of it too. I know in a lot of our videos, people have asked this liner can get punctured. We take all the precaution. It's all sand all underneath here. So we're super confident about there's going to be any issues. So we are getting ready to rock. We got our first rock over there hanging from the excavator. It's time to get rolling.
So right now, in the midst of setting rock, we are actually getting our lights in place as well. We are running conduit out through the deep end here. So in case any maintenance needs to be done, we're able to snake that light right back out and replace it.
This is the start of day 3. Blake and Jack are setting up cameras. Yesterday we got this underlayment liner installed and we started rocking this pond. We got part of the lower end rocked. We've whacked in our skim cove. Alan right now is unloading rock. We're getting our other bucket off of the truck. Our goal today is to get as much of this pond rocked as we can.
So right now we're to the point where the guys just about got all that stream done. They're starting to button up the edges. So the next thing to do is over in this section is we're going to start setting the grade for the patio. Right now this is the grade rock, basically what we're going to set our level off of. And then down in this section, like we designed on a plan, we're going to have a nice patio in here, so they're going to be able to view the pond from an elevated point as well as be able to check out the waterfalls in stream on both sides. Right now we're getting ready to get the excavator fired up and get digging so we can set the grade and keep right on rolling, because we've got a whole second stream to build. Right now we are building this meandering stream part right here. We're going to be sitting in this patio and we don't want it to be super loud right there. But here we're going to create this waterfall, and we're digging this grade a little bit deeper in this section because we want to be able to recess those really big rocks that we have over there. And then over here we're going to go back to the grade of the meandering stream. And you know, just in case you're curious, this is what you normally see in the wild. I don't know, can you tell it's close to lunchtime? So Kyle right now is cleaning up some roots because this place has had an abundant amount of roots. Nick, aren't you supposed to be in school?
Yeah, maybe.
It is
Depends
test.
on who you ask.
It's test week, right?
Yeah.
He's
If I show
ignoring me.
up.
Yeah, you're showing up. So right now, Nick and Kyle are putting another liner in. What we're gonna have to do is get that liner all the way behind this drop. Then we're gonna have to fold everything back and then backfill that so we don't have to use as much foam if we're as opposed to bibbing it. We don't wanna bib it today, we just wanna get that packed in there nice and tight so we got less foam to use. And here's a rare sighting over here. Jason is actually working. And so actually what Jason's working on, all kidding aside, is we had this 3-inch pipe. We only had enough 3-inch pipe to go here, so what we did is we're putting a Y in and going to 2 2s, because in the back side of a 6,000 biofalls, there's actually 2 ports that you can run water into. So we do not want to restrict our 9 PL. We want to get the full amount out of it. So we're pushing a 3 into 2 2s, which will not restrict our water volume for the waterfall.